deep purple.
Yeah.
This is the Thai basil.
It's like
You see that? And the smell are different. You see the flower, different color. This is lemon basil. So what you're looking for? You're looking for the stem purple,
Okay.
flower
And
purple,
then-
the leaf dark green.
We say 5 of these.
Yeah, that's one. Yeah. So this is chili. You see that?
So like this one.
Yeah.
Is that here?
No, that's a lemon. Because when you add chicken, it drops the temperature, right? You want to high, you have to cook the meat now. And the chicken is already, reduce the temperature in the pot, right? For how long? Until your eyes see the chicken is turned white. So chicken number 3, the veggie. See veggie in. See like that, and you mix it, right? Mix it well, right? Mix it well. Yeah. Orange, white, yellow sauce, the mixture. Oyster sauce, soya sauce, and you have also water. I have a bigger portion, I add more water.
Okay.
But you might add about half, or maybe like I said, 1 or 2 spoons for you. Do that and mash it in. Cashew nut is crispy, green onion cook fast. You add them at last because you want to have a green onion nice color. And you don't want to cook cashew nut so long. Like myself, I like cashew nut raw with the sauce like that. Because cashew nut gets diffused, the sauce, the mixture that coats outside. And your cashew nut still crunchy. I'm gonna teach you the holy basil quickly. It's very short time.
Yeah, because she did the whole